Now the question given here is, dark rainy night, 4 persons we have got: Aishwarya, Salman, Abhishek and Katrina. Now Aishwarya can cross the bridge in 2 minutes, Salman can cross it in 1 minute, Abhishek in 5 minutes and Katrina can cross it in 10 minutes. Now at a time only 2 persons on the bridge, at a time anywhere maximum 2 persons on the bridge. Now it's a dark night, so that means there is no other medium by which you can light or see others except one torch. Means you have to hold the torch and go together. Means simply, if Aishwarya and Salman go together, Aishwarya can cross in 2 and Salman in 1, but Salman cannot take her in his arms. Simply what we need to do is, Salman will be required to slow down for her, and together they will reach in 2 minutes. Salman will be required to slow down for her, but while coming back, Salman can come back in 1 minute. Look, simple logic is, there is only one torch, so obviously someone needs to get back the torch. The easiest sensible way is, Salman goes, drops Aishwarya, comes back, goes, drops Abhishek, comes back, Salman goes and drops Katrina and comes back. Simply what we did, Salman and Aishwarya go together, Salman comes back in 1 minute. Salman and Abhishek go together in 5 minutes, Salman and Abhishek. Salman comes back in 1 minute. Now Salman and Katrina go and they reach in 10 minutes. So what we did was, Salman and Aishwarya go together, Salman and Aishwarya went in 2 minutes, Salman slowed down for her, came back in 1 minute. Now Salman and Abhishek go, Salman slows down for Abhishek, drops him, comes back, and now Salman and Katrina go in 10. We got here 90 minutes. Thinking wise, this is a sensible answer, but it's wrong. What we are doing is, Salman is wasting his lot of time to drop each person. The smarter strategy would have been combining the faster together, combining slower together, which would have given smarter, efficient answer. Now, what we could have done was, Salman can cross it in 1 minute and Aishwarya can cross it in 2 minutes. It's Abhishek who is in 5 and Katrina who is in 10. We combine these two faster together. Salman and Aishwarya, they go in 2 minutes. Salman comes back in 1 minute. Now these two slower go together. Abhishek and Katrina, they will go in 10 minutes. Abhishek and Katrina will reach there in 10 minutes. Now Aishwarya is already here. Abhishek has reached, Katrina has reached, and Aishwarya is there. Now the smartest or the fastest person available to come back is Aishwarya. She comes back in 2 minutes. What we have got here is Salman and Aishwarya. Now they together will go in 2 minutes. What we did was, we combined the two faster and the two slower. The two faster go together, 2 minutes they reach here. Aishwarya stays back, Salman comes back, 1 minute he needs to come back. Now, the two slower go together, 10 minutes they reach here. Now the fastest person available is Aishwarya. So Aishwarya comes back here in 2 minutes. Salman and Aishwarya are here, they go back in 2 minutes. Answer we got here is 17 minutes. Finally, it's puzzle. We wanted to find out the most efficient way of doing the things. The most efficient was two faster together, two slower together. Now, the torch was necessary because it was in the night part. In the night they had to do this. Now, when they come back is the day thing. Now, during the daytime there is no need for torch to be back. Now they are all here, they have spent the night here. Aishwarya can cross in 2 minutes, Salman can cross in 1 minute, Abhishek can do it in 5 minutes, and Katrina in 10. Look, last time we were required to make the pairs. We were required to make the pairs because torch was there and they had to go together. Now there is no necessity of going together. What we'll be doing is, we will start Katrina from here. Katrina starts and let's say Abhishek starts. Any two can start, but let's say Katrina and Abhishek start. Now, Abhishek does not need to wait for Katrina. Katrina has started. Now, in 5 minutes, Abhishek will reach here. 5 minutes, Abhishek will reach here. Katrina will keep on walking her. She is on her way. The moment Abhishek reaches here in 5 minutes, Salman starts. Now, he's not going to slow down for Katrina. There is no need of torch. Salman will quickly go in 1 more minute. Salman will reach here. Means 5 minutes were already over. Now 1 more minute. Katrina has reached here. 6 minutes are over. Katrina is here. Already Abhishek has reached. Salman has reached. The moment Salman reaches here, bridge has got position for one person. Aishwarya runs. She runs, and in 2 more minutes Aishwarya reaches here. 8 more minutes are done. Still Katrina is walking. In 10 minutes she will be here. So answer is 10 minutes. As you can see, puzzles we cannot mug up the answers. Previous time it was torch which was necessary. It was the night time, torch was necessary. Faster 2 went in 2 minutes. Aishwarya stayed. Salman came back 1. Slower 2 went in 10. Aishwarya came back 2. Together 17. Now, it's the daytime. So, torch is not at all necessary. What we do is, the slowest person starts first. Slowest person starts first because she is going to take the maximum time. Katrina starts and let's say Abhishek starts. Abhishek and Katrina started. In 5 minutes, Abhishek ran and he reached here. 5 minutes he reached. Katrina is still walking, she is here. The moment Abhishek reaches, Salman runs. In 1 more minute, Salman reaches. 5 and 1, 6. Katrina is still walking. The moment Salman reaches, Aishwarya starts. 2 minutes she reaches here. 8 minutes are done, still Katrina is walking. She will reach here in 10. So the time needed is going to be 10 minutes. They all will reach safely back.